Hello, everybody. This is me again. I'm just doing Winter Storm Landon Part 2. This is what my backyard looks like. Isn't it pretty? All the snow. Here's my grills that has ice and snow on it. This is what my backyard looks like. It's all ice cold and full of snow. There's the sky. It's about 18 again today, and the wind chill's 5. It's still cold, and I know everybody wanted me to come out here and make a snowman and snow angels, but I can't do that because it's 2 inches of ice underneath it, so I can't do that, and it's very cold. So y'all just enjoy this and have a good day. Yes, this is pretty, I know. So give y'all a back view of it. Isn't this beautiful? The snow is so pretty. My cats haven't came outside to mess it up yet. That's why I'm showing it to y'all. Y'all have a good day and enjoy this